Hi beloved, in today we are going to tell ourselves 15 mistakes that the small YouTubers make that limit them not to grow fast, that limit their views, that limit them not to be more searchable on YT. So if you are going to learn and if you wish interested inside this topic, kindly grab your seats and let's go there. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my every channel. You are seeing your host christinamfelix. Welcome to christinamfelix channel. So today we are going to learn 15 mistakes that we YouTubers make that limit our views, that limit us not to be search rank on YouTube and on Google. So the first point that I'm going to tell us is that know how to plan your content.
Yeah, what does that mean?
Simply means plan your topic before you throw it out there. Write the title, write the introduction, write the body, write the conclusion before you throw it out there. As you can see right with me, this is my diary. So whenever I want to do anything, so I'm going to write it, as you can see all around. So I'm going to write it down, so for me to know what I'm going to say to my audience, for me not to make any mistakes or for me not to omit anything. So learn how to search your title first. Try to search the tags, the key points of what you are going to say, so for you to be more rank and more searchable on YT or Google before you throw it out there. Stop putting any comments there without searchable or without any relatives topic on Google or on YT. Look at these weddings coming out, how you can rank search on YT 2020. So it will lead you, it will guide you how your own topic can come out whenever they put the same topic of yours on search on Google or YT. So it will help you. So just click it straight away and watch the video how you can do it and guides for that you take. So let's go direct into the second point. The second point of it, I'm going to tell us to start. Yeah, make sure you start it. It's a gradual process, step by step process, not only one day. Just start it and keep watching and keep growing, keep pushing yourself, keep trying your best. We gonna get there, obviously. So the third point that I'm going to tell us is gas. Focus on your lightning, focus on your audio. Don't focus too much. Some small YouTubers, that is what is killing them. They focus on big camera, big gear that Mr. B is using.
What do you say?
Yeah, they want to buy as stats. They want to buy big camera. They want to buy the most best and professional camera. If you are using only your mobile, get your tripod stand, get your smartphone, clean your lens very well, get a good background and get your audio. That is just it. Get a small microphone and level microphone that you can attach with your phone. You got to go and you got to film right better. Even if you don't have light, if you are lucky that your room is beside the window, so film the day, during the day. The natural light is the best. The natural light is the best lighting. But if your room is like more or less like my room is at the roadside, so I can't even open my window because of the noise outside there. So try to get your lightning and you get to go. Start your filming and start growing. That is just it. Stop disturbing yourself on I have to buy a camera, I have to have a nice room, I have to have a nice house before I start a white. Who tell you that? So, well, it's up to you. That is just mistakes that we are doing that limit us not to grow fast. So the point 4 that I'm going to tell us, just be your brand. Have your brand. Be one brand. Let your channel be one brand. Stop like today, just be yourself. If you want to be a makeup artist, be a makeup artist. If you want to be a lifestyle vlog, be a lifestyle vlog. If you want to be a YouTube growth. If you want to be on traveling. If you want to be on gist, that is all class. Don't start throwing yourself, jumping from one place to another. Get what your audience need, grab what your audience wants, and started doing it based on it. Just be one brand. Don't jump from one place. You are the only one on Heads, you are the only one on gist, you are the only one on traveling, you are the only one. No, it's disgusting. So sorry for that. So the 5th point that I'm gonna tell us, just try to be more consistent on YT your studio, just for you to get the news every day. Try to check on YouTube news every day, because new versions every day, new news every day, new brand, new lessons every day. So try as much as possible to be consistent and listen to the news, because everything changes every day. So the number 6 that I'm going to tell us, be experienced with your content, be experienced with your title, be experienced with your content entirely. Like, don't be a stranger to what you are going to drop out there. Make the research, listen to yourself, write it down, read it over and over again, jot it down, film it, finish, listen to yourself, listen to the video you've already made, adjust the video. If you're gonna put anything there, if you're gonna add anything, or you're gonna remove anything, just do it before you throw it out there. You are not the only one watching that video, and it's not your cabal, like your people. You are throwing it to the world, all over the world. People are watching your video. The last video that I made, I'm like seeing Canada, seeing California, seeing Denmark. I'm like seeing Russia. I'm like, I don't have anyone there. You don't have to have anyone there. Anybody can come across your video and they'll started watching. So just try as much as possible, experience more on your content. So the point 7, encourage your audience. In what way? Right now we are moving to her video. So encourage your audience by recommending your video for them to the next video they are going to watch. For example, like this particular video, once they are finished watching, before they finish watching this particular video, lead them to another video. Go right there into your studio. Down below your studio, you'll find your elements and your card. So that is, the element is just a 20-second before the end of the video, before the end of the present video, and the card is after the 5 inside your video, the 5 video inside your video. Tell them what your channel is all about. Let them know that you have a lot of videos there for them to watch. You have a lot of title, you have a lot of tips, you have a lot of trending things there for them to watch. So make sure you make use of your elements, your card. Make sure you make use of your elements, your card, and your capture. So the point 9 is that don't compare your personality, just be yourself. Don't compare yourself to another people. Don't compare yourself to another person. Don't say you just want to be like Becky, you just want to be like Becca, you just want to be like Tina. Do you know what they are facing? Do you know what they are passing through? Do you know what they are doing before, what they have done before getting to the point that you want to be like them? Just be yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. The point 10, listen to your audience. Listen to what they are saying. You are dropping video for your audience. You are dropping for your audience, not you. You are not the one to watch that video. You are not the one that are going to watch that video. So listen to them. If they said your audio is not nice, encourage your audience to drop comments. Tell them to tell you about what you are doing. Tell them to tell you about the video you dropped last. Do you guys like it? Do you want it? When my audience tell me that my background is not nice, so I just try to improve myself. So kindly listen to your audience. That is the 10th, number 10. And the number 11 that we are going to, the number 11 tips that the mistakes that small YouTubers do. That is what we are talking about. So let's go to quick break before we start, before we continue. So if you've not subscribed, kindly press the button, give me the thumbs up. The host is actually doing well. Yeah, encourage the host. Please don't be selfish. Share it out. Let others learn too. And I myself, I want to learn. So let's just keep going. Thanks for watching. Welcome back again. We are talking on 15 tips, 15 mistakes that small YouTubers make that limits them not to grow fast and limits them not to be more searchable on YT or Gaggle. So the point 11, we've already dropped 10 backwards, so you get to go there and listen to it over and over again. So the number 11 that we are going to talk about is that your watch time minute first, not your views. YT is no more calculating views for us. YT is no more calculating views as our watch hour. Before, the more the views you have, the more the watch hour you get and the more the subscribers. But right now, these days, it's changed. So it's no more views anymore. It's your watch time minutes. The watch time minutes means how long do you keep people busy on YT? How many hours, how many minutes do you keep them watching your video? Do they really like your video? Do they watch your video more and more to the extent like to what YT want from us? So that is just, I want you guys to keep focus on the watch hour minutes, the watch time minutes, sorry, not the watch hour. I'm not talking about the watch hour this time around. I'm talking about the minute reading. You will see it beside, down below your studio, your picture, the small pictures of beside your studio. So you will see the green arrow, maybe up or down. If you are down, kindly work on it fast. If it is red, work on it. So let it move higher, let it go higher. So that is what YT focus on, that, and that is what is growing our watch hour these days, not the views. So that is the point 11. Okay, so the point 12 that we are going to talk about is that make a longer video reasonable. If you are going to make a shorter video, make it more quick and more reasonable. And if you are going to make a longer video, make more points than longer video. I don't know, maybe you guys understand what I'm saying. We are entitled and we have a grace for us to make 15 minutes upward video, 50 minutes, 20 minutes, 24 or 25, so whatever you want. But try to make a longer video with a reasonable point, with words that will keep them busy. Those are the mistakes some people make. They want their video to be more longer and they'll start saying kachara, blah 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 blah, like that. So just walk. The number 13 is that try to focus on 2 or 3 social medias that you will be pushing your content, your video. For example, like after you might have finished your video, maybe you make use of your WhatsApp, your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever. So try to push your your video down there to your social media. So try to focus on 2 or 3 social medias that you started sharing your video to, not the one in your not the one in your memory card, but share it after you might have throw it on the platform, after you throw it on your channel. So share it out to your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your WhatsApp, so you get a lot of views from that, and so they can watch for you. So some mistakes, they don't some of us, they don't drop it there. They will just drop it only on YT and they will leave. And make sure you be the first person to watch your video. Whenever you throw your video there, be the first person to watch your video, watch it full and thumbs up. I'll still work on that one, how it affects the watching, how it affects our videos. Watch it full after you might have dropped it in your channel, on your channel, and thumbs up. So the number 14 is that don't push the products that you don't believe on. If you want to advertise anyone, make sure you test the product, make sure it works before you tell your audience. If you give them fake things, they won't come back again. They will said that is how fake now so fake your channel they carry. So don't give your audience fake things to listen to or to watch, or products or you are selling to them. So give them nice and something productive that it will help them. So that is what I'm going to tell us. So the last but not the least is that just keep encouraging yourself and be consistent. That is just what I'm going to tell us, and that is the 15 mistake, and that is the number 15. Be consistent. Some of us are not consistent, and we just get there maybe 1 time or 2 times. They will just go there and just check their comments. That is all. No, just be consistent and check over and over again what your audience wants, what people want from you. So that is just the 50 mistakes that small YouTubers are doing, that limits them. So I hope you can grab where you are making mistakes. And so before you leave, check on these 2 channels, on these 2 videos, how you can be search rank on YT, and how you can be more productive. The 5 tips to manage your time, how you can be more productive. And you can see below a lot of videos there that will encourage you, also that will help you. So thanks for watching for today's video. So we'll see you in another video. Bye for now.